Hey y'all, so I did start my fourth job now. I started working at McDonald's and then I moved to Chicken Express, and then from there I began working at Walmart, and now this is where I work at. So I'm gonna show y'all what I received in this bag. I did just receive it yesterday. This is why I was waiting to record this video, because I did start working here last week. So they sent me a starter kit bag. In this bag comes the red card that they give you so that you can purchase the food for the clients that get you on DoorDash. You also get a DoorDash hand sanitizer gel. It looks like that. Obviously they customized it with their own logo and label and all that. And last but not least, it only comes with a little bit of things, but it also comes with a face mask. Safety first. It came with a face mask that you have to wear if you want, or you can wear your own. And this insulation bag, like, so that the food doesn't get cold while on the way to take your clients' food. So it's pretty spacious, and I honestly think that this is the easiest job we can find. The only thing that I don't really like about it is that you have to use your own car, like waste your gas, and then it's your mileage that's running. So that's the only thing. I don't know if I might last a long time in this, because that's the only thing that I don't like, and that's the first thing that I hate, to like waste a lot of miles on my car. So far everything's going so good, and I was gonna take y'all along with me today so that y'all could see what it was about, but I won't be able to anymore. It is currently 6 p.m. about to be 7, so I won't be able to do it, but hopefully I get to do it sometime for y'all. If y'all have any questions, please let me know and I'll answer them in a different video. So let's get onto this packaging video. Also, I wanted to show y'all my fit. It's like this little top with some, you could say, sweatpants or whatever, joggers. I know I still don't have the body that I want, or like a nice body or whatever, but I'm trying to get there, honestly. Estoy gordita, as y'all can see. My lonjas are like literally aquí, since this is where the elastic runs through. Pero I like how this looks, and it's like so freaking loose. It's like really loose material, and it feels really nice, to be honest. And if y'all are wondering where I got it, I did get it from Ross, because y'all already know we're always on a budget. But yeah, guys, I really love this, honestly. Melanie aquí caminando. Ay, qué bonito. Espérate, vente, ve. Oh my god. We need to do a Halloween haul. Wow. There's like so many things. Vente, bebé. Oh, I like the decorations. You always have the best home decorations for cheap. For cheap, because it is Dollar Tree. Ya llena, mi amor. Okay, I came to get estas gift bags, so that's what we're gonna go get. I have a whole nother order. We were here at Michael's. Yay! Yay! Hey y'all, so for this video I'm gonna be showing y'all how to like package your orders for any type of business. It doesn't matter, but personally this is gonna be for a lash business, and these are just some ways of packaging orders the way I package them. So I'm gonna show you some of my ways, and then for the first one I'm gonna be showing y'all how to package your orders in a bakery box. Usually I use smaller bakery boxes, which are squared, and then it's just like a little window, but I ran out of them and haven't gotten the chance to buy more. So I had these in my house, so I'm gonna be using what I have right now just to show y'all. Do y'all know what bakery boxes I'm talking to y'all about though? Because these are not the ones where you open it. It's just like you just insert stuff in the middle, like on the side, and just pull the tabs to make it like a little carrier, which is pretty nice. But I personally don't like these because these are for actual desserts, but I'll still show y'all. So the first idea is to package your lashes, and I already have these packaged, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in there. I normally would put them differently, but since I can't show y'all that way, this works too. So this box could definitely work for any business. Like I said, once everything is added, I'm gonna close it. So this is what it's gonna look like, and obviously this doesn't look as good and professional, but I'm telling y'all it will on the other one. Another way of how to package your orders would be just in organza bags. This is how I started off first. I would only package them in these. So I would just take my lashes and then put a spoolie in there with them, since I do add a spoolie with each lash. That's just as simple as you can go for starters. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, just package them like this. And this looks as neat and professional. You can just give them out like this and put them like in a grocery bag or any other plastic bag. It'll still look nice. La churrera ya terminó su tarea, so she wants me to check it. This one's right. This one's right. No, this one's not right. It says nearest 100. So this is 10th. This one's right. 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 Yeah, solamente
all of them are right.
Yeah, solamente este no. Correcto. So I have another method of packaging your lashes, and this is the method I'm currently using. You just grab a gift bag from anywhere. I use them from either Walmart or Dollar Tree. I'm not gonna lie about where I buy them. They're just gift bags. It's just to package your orders. Probably your clients are not going to need them afterwards, so it doesn't matter if you buy them off of the dollar store, because that's where I get mine from, and it's a good deal because I get 3 for $1. And so these are the small ones. You can just add your logo or whatever on here. And then I have these other bigger ones for like orders with more lashes. So these are going to be for my bigger orders, and this is going to be for my small orders. So in this case, let's say, oh, and also the lashes that I'm using right now are from actual orders. Like, I have orders coming up. So in this case, this girl only wanted 3 lashes, so I have them packaged right here, like I said, with a lash spoolie. I'm just gonna grab them and put them in here. I'm just gonna grab her little towelette and her applicator, and then my thank you card, and just insert it. So this is one way to do it. For this girl, she only had 4, but it's more than the other one. Let's just pretend that she has like about 6 pairs. So we're gonna put her 6 pairs in the bag and do the same thing. Just put her little thank you bag and her thank you card. And then here are the orders. And this is a really neat way to give out your orders. It looks like a little bit more professional, in my opinion. It's up to you if you want to do the gift bags or the bakery boxes. You don't really have to spend a lot of money. It just depends on how much you're trying to spend. The organza bags, like I said, are perfect. It doesn't matter if you don't give them out in a pretty luxurious bag. My last method of packaging your business orders would be in treat bags, and it might sound funny or some or weird, but treat bags actually work. And then I have these holographic iridescent ones right here that I got from Walmart. It was like a pack of 20 for like $1.97. I'm just gonna be grabbing one of these bags, and then, for example, if it's a small order, yeah, add your lashes, your lip glosses, whatever you're selling. It also looks really cute, and it's cheap. It's not like you're charging for your packaging, you know? Like, you might charge for the packaging your items come in, but not this type of packaging. Like, this is extra. So I didn't put them all the way inside, but you can obviously package them here, and then you can put a tie on here for like favors. You can obviously use these as favors, or you can just leave it like that and just hand them out. Those are my methods of packaging lashes. If y'all like them, let me know if y'all use them, or if y'all have a better method of packaging your orders, let me know, because I would like to know your methods. That way I can see if I can like learn how to do it a better way. But I'm no type of professional or anything. This was just my opinion on how to package orders for beginners. That's how I started and how I'm doing right now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite packaging idea was, and subscribe, hit the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and see you on the next one.